Ice storm warning in effect for the Central Coast Range of Oregon, the Cascade Foothills in Lane County, and the South Willamette Valley until 4 p.m. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect until 4 p.m. Sunday. This replaces the winter storm warning for snow and ice. Timing: occasional light freezing rain tonight. Freezing rain will increase in intensity again Sunday morning before changing over to rain late in the day. Additional ice accumulation, generally between 1/10 and 1/4 inch of ice. Impacts: the combination of ice and snow will likely bring down some trees and power lines, leading to power disruptions in some areas. Travel will be impeded by the ice and snow. An ice storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of ice accumulations will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. Commerce will likely be severely impacted. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Ice accumulations and winds will likely lead to snapped power lines and falling tree branches that add to the danger.